Once upon a time, there was an ant and a bird. They were a good friend of each other. They used to meet in together in a tree and talk. The tree was near the shore of a river. One day, while they were talking, the ant slipped from the branch and fall on the river. The ant started crying, "Seek help." "Help! Help!" The bird starts thinking to how she can help. She started pick up the leaf of the tree and throwing into the river. The leaves slow flow on the river and the ant step in on one of the leaf. He stayed on there until it reaches on the shore and survived. He thanked to the bird who saves his life. After a long time, one day on that same tree, two friends were talking. A hunter came in and pointed his gun towards the bird. The ant saw and he jumped onto his hand and bite him. He got pain and interrupt on his aim. The bird sees this and fly away immediately. She later thanked the ant on saving her life. What do you take away from this? Please comment your answer below.